Yes, my friends, today the collections will be very specific collections. What I'm going to talk about, that every youngsters and the college girls, especially for the bridal, they expect these kind of varieties. For this modern and stylish generation, these collections are very demanded in the market. Yes, I'm talking about the beautiful, lovely, unique collections of lehengas varieties. These type of lehengas varieties for this modern generation, the collections are expecting from the bridal and the college girls, and especially for the resellers. If I talk about the resellers, when you have a friendly budget collections, you have to choose the right people of the manufacturers. When you collect the bulk stock from the right manufacturers in a friendly budget, then you can see your profit, and you have to, the main focus is you have to keep it stock. Either you are a boutique reseller or you are a shop owner, when you are in the mid of the market, these kind of varieties for this generation girls are expecting. So keep watching this video. Today I am going to show you the bridal, not only the bridal lehengas, even the side wear and the party wear lehengas. These collections are very unique at the market. So you have to purchase at the friendly budget. So as I told you, the 5K to 10K, please subscribe this channel and quickly add into your business. These kind of varieties, only the first right manufacturers will give you. So first the pattern is, if I talk about the mirror work, the bridal, not only the side wear, especially the stylish collections covered with mirror work with the dark mehndi green. Every lehenga you can see the can and the liner. This is one of the pattern. And if I talk about the settle and the pastel colors, only the pattern of the beautiful elegant look where the tree and the leaf pattern, all the multi thread work has been done over here. And if I talk about the traditional look and the functions, evening functions, the pastel color with the jerkin work and the hand work, beautiful traditional designer of these varieties. Here is also one of the pattern. Every lehenga you will get the designer semi, the blouse with the semi stitch, you will get the veil also. I am talking, my friends, every lehenga you will get the semi stitched running blouse. Even you can make your alternation according to your size. And I talk about the bridal lehengas. These bridals are very stunning and highlighted, which every bride expects these kind of varieties. So the Rani color, which is a temple work, which designs the girls where they expect and they love these kind of varieties in this generation. And coming to the bridal, the red color, very beautiful peacock work and the stone work, multi, which is covered with the golden color stone work. This is also one of the variety. Every lehengas, if I talk about the heavy lehengas, it is very up to 10 to 8 kilos, I can say the weightage will be. You have a weightless, you have a without can, and most of the lehengas which will come with can. If I talk about the settle and classy colors, we do have a thread work, which is a very elegant look, the stunning light color, lightweight. This is also the beautiful peacock design which has been done over here. This is also one of the pattern. The exclusive lehengas patterns you can only purchase from the right manufacturers. Doriwala Square Building next to Mohan Sweets, opposite to Surat Railway Station. When you can do the offline visit purchase, you will get the what is the quality and multiple fabrics like silk, elegance, even the Kanjivaram sarees, also the way of work sarees where it is, you can do and you can expect in the lehengas also. The designer sarees, how much it gives elegance. Even for the bridal also, they expect these kind of designer lehengas, either for the parties or the side wear, and even for the get together, for the functions, everything you can purchase it all at one place. Hope you enjoyed these kind of lehengas at friendly budget 5K to 10K. So to know the actual prices, numbers are scrolling on the screen. Resellers, dealers, wholesalers, quickly take the information and place an order. The collections will come to your location. COD is option for the pan India, and the worldwide we do have a shipping and security. With safe and secure, we are giving you all the collections. So hope you enjoyed. Next video we'll meet with new more collections and information. Keep supporting me. So until then, take care. Bye bye, my friend.